Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get from this to this. Removing objects from images has become easier. You have a lot of tools online. I will show you a way how to do this, and it's for free. With what I'm about to show you, you can remove any object from images. You can remove cars, people, paintings, anything. So without further ado, let me show you. So first up, you need to open your internet browser. You can do this on your iPhone, your iPad, your computer, anything. So then you need to go to this website called magiceraser.io. This is the website I use to remove unwanted objects from images. So let me show you. So you remove unwanted things from images in seconds. It's in seconds. So what you need to do, you need to upload a video or a picture. You can just drag it or upload. So I will just drag one from my other screen to this screen. It's uploading. So this is the picture I have. First thing you need to do, you can zoom in. So go to zoom to make the picture bigger so you can do this more accurately. So I will zoom the picture, and then you go to brush. Now I want to remove this boat right here, so I will select this and then I press erase. Now this will do the job, and let's see what it has done. Look at this, it has removed the ship. It has removed it in seconds. Next up, I want to remove, I think these are slippers. Let's remove these. Then click erase. Wow. Now let's do a more challenging things. I want to remove the person here. So I need to select this person. So I'm on my brush. You can select your brush size. For now, I'm go like this. So I will remove him. You need to select him. You can do this very accurately, but for the time being, I will do this fast. So let me select him. Yes. Select his shadow. Need to close here. His back. Then I also want to remove this and his arms. So I will decrease my brush size to remove his arms. Now I'm selecting his arms. So see, opening right here, the other arm, here, and his pants, and I see it opening right here. So now I have selected this man. So now I will click erase. So we see it has done a decent job, but I do see some things I still want to erase. For example, I see here, I will select this and click erase. Now look at this. Let me show you the original photo. So this is the original photo, and now the photo with removed objects. Unwanted objects have been removed. Now you can download this image because you want to download. When you download, they will ask you to pay, but you can do this for free. Also, let me show you. I have a trick. So you can download it in much lesser dimension. Download rest image, that's for free. But what I do, I just use snipping tool and I make a screenshot from this. So let me type in snipping tool, which gives me the ability to use this picture with a higher resolution. So I have my snipping tool, and then I will select the image, and now I have the image in a higher resolution. So that is for this video. Like and subscribe and follow for more. I know I said those are the same things, but you understand. Ciao.